Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make brownies, the perfect brownies, fudge brownies. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, and let's get started with this video. I'm going to be using dark chocolate for this video, and this is a curvature chocolate, not a compound chocolate. So if you want to do this, do not buy compound chocolate. You get a curvature chocolate, which is pure chocolate, and this chocolate over here is 55% cocoa. So you can get anything from 55 and above for this recipe. This is my flour here, half cup of flour. This is my butter, 115 grams or half cup of butter. This is my sugar, 1 cup of sugar. My brown sugar, half cup of brown sugar. My cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. 3 eggs. This is my salt, and I'll be putting 1/4 teaspoon of it. My flavor, half teaspoon, and that's basically it. This chocolate over here is 200 grams of chocolate. So let's get started with this video. To start, I'm going to sieve my cocoa powder into my flour, because I've already sifted the flour already. So I'm just going to sieve my cocoa powder into the flour to avoid any form of lump. Now I'm going to pour in my white sugar, my granulated sugar, if there's anything like all-purpose sugar. My all-purpose sugar, and I'm going to pour in my brown sugar. Then I'm going to break in my egg. 1, 2. I'm going to mix this together. Mind you, you're going to use medium-sized egg for this, because there are some eggs they are selling now. They are like guinea fowl egg. So it's best to use medium-sized egg for this. Now that this is properly whisked, I'm going to add the last egg. Then I'll continue whisking. As you can see, I whisked till it had a foamy texture and a soft look before I added the last egg. Now I am going to set this aside. Oops. Now that this has been cut into little chunks, I'm going to melt this up with the butter over here. As you can see, the pot is not totally full. It's very little. I just put little water into it. Now I'm going to do like a double boil. Please note that the bowl isn't touching the water. That is how you do a double boil. The bowl must not touch the water below. It's the heat that that melts the chocolate you're about to work with. Now it is totally melted. I'm going to put in my butter. Right. Now the butter is totally melted. I'm going to take it off the fire. Off the heat, sorry. Now I'm going to add in my salt. I'm going to put my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Trust me, this is my vanilla. I don't know whether it's extract or essence. I just have vanilla. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Because this vanilla is very, very concentrated. Like very, very concentrated. Now I'm going to stir. Now it's time for the magic ingredients. My chocolate and butter mixture. Now I'm going to add my flour, already sifted flour, into this. And voila, here she goes. Stir one way. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? Now I'm going to switch to my silicone spatula. This is to enable me scrape off any flour that is hiding somewhere. So yes, this is exactly what I am looking for. So I'm going to use a little bit of the oil. So now I'm going to place the second one. I'm going to put oil on it. My oven is already preheating, so I'm just going to add my brownie to the pan. Ooh, this is so beautiful and it tastes really good. Trust me. Okay, now my brownie is out. Be careful not to bake it too much. See, as you can see, it still has some mushy look on this inside. The essence of the brownie is for the outer part to be crusty like it is right now, and the inner part to be very soft, mushy and soft. So now I'm going to let it. Ooh, looking good. It's crusty on the outside, but very soft on the inside. Very, very soft. Yummy. So I'm just going to allow it to cool and I'll do the cutting. Okay guys, now the brownie has cooled down to a very large extent, so I want to cut it. So mushy